Launching the report, we press the buzzer. Thank you, Makofi.
Kurugurio kwa riboti ino muthenya wa umuthi gutanyitwo kuhekanya ministry ya githomo kurunga na oho kugacirithia maundu ngurani niguo gukinyaniria mutaratara mweru wa githomo kana CBC.
As the report is launched,
Hamwe na mendekithia ma kamitii ino ni uria arutwo marigeragio. Kamitii ino ikiendekithia igeranio cia muthia wa mwaka wa arutwo a grade ya gatandatu gutafanagio ni kanjo ya igeranio bururi-ini.
At the end of grade 6, the Kenya National Examinations Council will administer a summative assessment that will carry a relatively lesser weighting of 40% to be combined with the cumulative continuous assessments of the lower classes.
Angikorwo riendekithia riri ni rikuhituka o ni kuga ati arutwo aria magakorwo grade ya gatandatu mwaka ukite rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa githomo na aria magakorwo kirathi gia kanana mwaka o ucio rungu rwa mutaratara wa 844 othe makaigira githomo gia secondary ihinda rimwe. Namba ya arutwo aria makaigira secondary hindio itanyitwo kuongerereka na gicunji kia 27 harĩ igana. Kamiti ino ikiendekithia thirikari gukorwo ikiongerera thukuru cia secondary, thukuru cia muthingi iria cirĩ na irathi nyingi, imwe ciacio kuhuthika kuri arutwo a secondary, kunyitithania thukuru iria cikuhanĩrĩirie niguo guthondeka irathi cia arutwo a secondary, kugacirithia miako iria ingihuthika hamwe ni arutwo a thukuru cia muthingi na secondary iria ikuhanĩrĩirie hamwe na mendekithia mangi.
We have also analyzed the optimal use of secondary school workforce that include teachers, various categories of teacher educators, as well as support staff.
Hamwe na mendekithia mangi ma kamiti ino ni wigirĩrĩki wa aciari kunyita itemi harĩ kugacirithia githomo kia arutwo rungu rwa mutaratara uyu.
We are bringing in the community, saying that creating a child requires concerted effort of the parents and the community and the social institutions in which they traverse.
Kurumirira uhaguku wa mitugo kuri amwe a arutani riu mbere ya kwandikwo wira, kamiti ino irendekithia o murutani gukoragwo na marũa ma ukinyaniru wa mitugo.
report, we press the buzzer. Thank you, Makofi.
Akieria hindi ya kuruguria riboti ino, Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni athanite kumbogwa kamiti ya gukinyaniria mendekithia ma riboti ino ari hamwe na unyitaniri wa anyiti itemi othe ruhonge-ini rwa githomo gutigirira mutaratara uyu ni wakinyanira.
To work with the Teacher Service Commission to ensure that all teachers continue getting comprehensive training on the implementation of the competency-based curriculum.
Oho akigathiriria mutaratara mweru wa mathomo kuona ni urahe arutwo kanya ga gukuria taranda, agiathana thukuru ciothe cia mathako na gukuria taranda gukorwo igithondeka mitaratara yao ya mathomo.
For this will offer learners in these sports academies opportunities to engage in other curricula outside sports depending on their potential and career interests.
Hadini Kamiti TV Kitagogina Wawadiro.
Your Excellency, sir, to present the report to the implementers.